Sriram Rachna, and I've been working as a teacher from past 3-4 years. I'm a yoga teacher, and I'm a Montessori and preschool teacher, and I've been doing counseling as well. So I'm Vrunda Shiri's big mother, her aunt, and she's in playgroup in Eurokids Koramangala. Before we had joint families, and now it's only a single, and they need a company, and they are these days the children are really very smart, so they need a company. They'll be learning a lot of things, and now we have a lot of Montessori schools as well. So I would say they will learn a lot, because during the small age, it's like whatever we feed them, that enters their head, and it will be for lifetime. So I always suggest it's a very good thing to put in our earliest age. Yeah, as I told, it's very important. It will build their emotionality. They'll be having their friends. They'll be learning lot of things from the friends as well. And then teachers, now there are Montessori schools where they're teaching lot of working on emotional as well. There are a lot of activities which is happening in the schools. So that will really help their physical activity, their emotionally. There are so many things that they will learn. To be frank, actually, even I had worked in a Eurokids in a different branch, and that was my very first school on working as a teacher. So I knew how it would be, and I used to teach even my daughter, what all is to be taught. I used to teach her everything. And I used to suggest that Eurokids is the best school actually in the activities. And since even I worked as a playgroup teacher, so I knew there are a lot of things. And so I always suggested Eurokids is the best preschool, but only the location thing we were seeing. Yeah, because I was making her mind set. See, if you go to school, you'll get more friends. You can play with them. You can learn a lot of things. You'll have a lot of activities to be done. I was preparing her mind, so we didn't feel that difficult. So now she's improving a lot actually. She have learned a lot of things, emotionally, mentally, everything. Yeah, in this, I would always say Eurokids is a very best school, because they have a lot of activities every single day. It's not only writing, or it's not only regarding curriculum. Every word, every word has its own way of learning. There are few students who learn as, like listening and doing, then writing, then some of them by seeing. So in that case, you have in this Eurokids, so they have everything is like systematic way. Like, okay, fine, they can do this on Monday. There are so few things to be taught, like maths, or maybe the numbers, or like alphabets. So it's not only like teaching the same thing, it is for the whole week. Like one number, it's for whole week. And they're having different different activities for the same number. Like one day they'll be teaching it, and next day they'll be showing how to do it. They have different activities where they can do it, and another day they have this takeaway home activity every week. Weekly ones they'll have that, so that like, okay, it's for O for orange. So in that case, takeaway they'll be having that orange thing. That one is there, and it's not only for letters. You have it even for numbers, and that is helping my daughter, and I believe they are helping it to almost all the children. So from Montessori, they are improving. In this case, definitely all the parents would feel that difficult, because it's a single child they're having. So definitely they'll be having lot of doubts, lot of questions, lot of worries, how my child is going to, be in the school. And also definitely it's a phase where all the parents will face. So I would always suggest, putting to Eurokids one as the days pass, as your child improves, you will definitely think, yes, we have done the right decision as a parent, putting them to Eurokids.